Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie, and today I'm going to be decorating my tiered trays for Halloween. So I previously did a fall tiered tray decorating video, and I just love decorating tiered trays, especially in the fall and winter time. It's just so much fun for me, and I love Halloween. I love Halloween decorating. I know not everybody does, but for me, it's just one of my favorite times of the year, and I love that it's a low pressure holiday. I have 3 tiered trays and I'm going to decorate all of them. If you have a Halloween mug, go ahead and fill it with whatever your drink of choice is. Get your tiered tray and let's do some Halloween decorating. Thank you all so much for watching, and let's go ahead and get into this video. So here are my 3 tiered trays, and I have them all out on my island in my kitchen, and it probably looks kind of like a mess right now. I'm just not quite sure where I want everything to go, and I wanted to have a visual of all of the items that I had. And I started with this tray because this tray right here is obviously the biggest, and I got this one from Hobby Lobby. I love it. I love the white and the distressed look on the bottom. It is a little bit too big probably for my space, but I think decorating it is just the most fun, and it turns out so pretty in the end. And I have just a few items in front right here that I think may look good on this. And then this tiered tray right here is also from Hobby Lobby. I love the wooden look on the tiered trays as well. And I have some smaller items that I plan to put on this tiered tray because it is littler. And then this tiered tray, I actually DIY'd this item from Dollar Tree products. I have some more items in front of this tiered tray. Like I said, I'm not sure how everything is going to turn out quite yet. I'll just have to start decorating and go with it from there. These bowls are actually bowls that I made using vinyl from my Cricut. I just got bowls from the Dollar Tree and then I applied the vinyl onto it. And I'll add a few of my bigger pieces. This pumpkin I actually got from Target last year, and I love the little star sparkly detailing on that. I think it's really pretty. This plant, I just got this from the Target dollar spot this year, and I love that it's all black. I think that that's so cool. So this sign is another sign that I made, and I did use my Cricut for that as well. I got this black and white pumpkin from Dollar Tree. They still have these, and I got this last year, but they have them this year as well. And then they have some with stripes, and I think that those are perfect for Halloween. I got this from Target last year. I think it was actually in the Hide Eek section, not the dollar spot. And this I got from Target dollar spot as well. Okay, so I found these little pieces of wood, and this is just going to work perfectly to give certain objects a little bit more height if I want them to be taller. All right, here is an up close look at the first tray. I think it's so cool. This is why I love tiered trays. There's just so much that you can do with them. And I am personally obsessed with those little black plants from Target this year. I think that they are perfect for Halloween. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And we will move on to the second tray. Okay, so next I'm going to be decorating this middle tray, and I think that this one is so cool. So I have a few new items that I've picked up, and the first one is this little pumpkin, and I got it from Target dollar spot this year. I also got these florals, and these are from Dollar Tree. I think they're so cool because they have these eyeballs in them, and maybe it's just me, but I'm gonna cut these down and use some of the arrangement to complement this tiered tray. This piece right here is driving me nuts. It like keeps sticking out and I can't deal with it. The other items that I'm going to be using are these 3 items, and these are all 3 from my Etsy shop. I made these because I couldn't find exactly what I wanted. My favorite might be this little tag. I just made this today, and it says Haunted Farmhouse on it. I think it's perfect. I'm going to start with the bottom and go with the bigger items first. This creepy crawly tomb, this came from Target. It was only $1. I think it's so cool. I'm going to use my wire cutters to cut down these stems a little bit because I want to put them into that mug. And just go about right here. I've got 1 eyeball, 1 regular flower, and then 1 with a spider. So here is a look at this tiered tray after it's all put together. I think it looks really spooky and also has a little bit of a farmhouse touch, which is what I was going for. Here's the last tiered tray, and in this one I'm going to try to add a little bit more orange. The previous two I just wanted to be more like a neutral kind of color scheme, but this one I'm going for more traditional. So I'm going to start with this haunted mug up top. This one is so teeny tiny. This tray is just little, so there's only so much you can do if your tray is really small. This orange pumpkin came from Dollar Tree. It's pretty big. I don't know how it'll do on this tray, but I'm gonna just try because I love the color of it. I think it's really cool, but like I said, it is a little bit big, so I don't know. I just got this potion bottle. This tray is a bit wobbly, by the way. I just got this potion bottle today from Dollar Tree, and I made this little tag. I think it's cool just right here in between the two. I got this little hat. I think I'm going to trim this down and take it off of the headband and then put it on top of my mug. We'll see how that works. I think it might be kind of cute. Okay, here's the little hat. I finally have it removed. I'm just gonna sit it on top of this. Okay guys, that is going to be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. It truly means the world to me. I hope that you enjoyed, and let me know in the comments below which tier tray was your favorite, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye guys!